Dongtai's F-Series gear reducers are renowned not only for their exceptional transmission performance, but also for their rigorous manufacturing and superior surface treatment processes, which form the bedrock of their quality assurance. Precision assembly, standardized, streamlined assembly lines, coupled with stringent torque control and clearance adjustment, ensure the F-Series' inherent qualities of smooth operation, low noise, and high efficiency. Meticulous cleaning. Assembled gearboxes undergo thorough cleaning and polishing to remove oil residues, metal shavings, and other contaminants. This forms the foundation for durable, bubble-free, and non-peeling paint finishes. Automated painting. The gear reducers proceed to a modern automated painting line. Robotic arms apply paint with precision and uniformity, creating a protective coating that is consistently thick, highly adhesive, corrosion-resistant, and wear-resistant. Every step in the production of Dongtai's F-Series gear reducers embodies an unwavering commitment to quality, making them your trusted choice for power transmission.